Did you know that banana peels can be used to make organic fertilizer? 100% organic fertilizer for your plants. Banana peels add potassium to the soil. Plants grow stronger with this fertilizer. Liquid fertilizer goes directly to the roots and can be sprayed onto the leaves. Cut the banana peels into smaller pieces. Put cut pieces into the bottle. Rainwater does not have harsh chemicals such as chlorine. Glass bottles do not release harsh chemicals into the fertilizer. Let all that goodness to mix in. Seal off the jar and store for 2 weeks. You can add this liquid fertilizer to your vegetable garden. Rose plants will grow much faster with this liquid fertilizer. Add liquid fertilizer to plants once a week. Banana peels make the best organic fertilizer for your garden.